So if you're doing this at home and you want to copy what I've done, you need 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. You need 3 tablespoons, and we've kind of measured it so we know how much it is. So 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and you put this into about 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Okay, so we put that in there. And then we also have maple syrup, which is going to be 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. You put that in as well. And then I'm going to give you a stick. There's my sticks. And we are going to mix up everything together. So this is the bit you have to make sure everything's mixed, okay? So we're going to mix. This is one type of mold we have. Now when you take it out from here, it's hard. It's not as soft as you would think it's going to be, because it's not like melted chocolate. Okay, so what you would need to do then is scoop it out, and we can then scoop into here. So that's what you want to do. You want to get it scooped up so it's nice and clean around the edges, and you will then have a mold once that dries up. So you're going to have nicely coloured hearts that you can take away with you, or you can eat now if you want.